front page, your little pop-out menu that shows right here. So you're going to go to pages. Everything's in this one page for the PowerPlay theme, which is pretty cool. So you have all this, and if you hover, you can click on it and edit. But I also like to open this little column over here that shows you like the hierarchy where everything's at. So I'm going to replace the logo. I'm just going to click on it, edit, and then I'm going to use the circle logo over here. And that will change. You can change your picture here, same way. Over here, I have used just text links. So to change these, you'll click on General, click on the link over here, wherever, and then you'll click the General tab, Link Settings, and this little pencil, and then the X, and then you'll type whatever you want your link to be there. Same goes for all of those. That's done the same way. If you want to change these colors individually, you just General link color there. To change this text, you're just going to click on it. This hey there is called advanced text, so like advanced highlight. So if I were to click that and undo advanced highlight, it would just be in the regular font. If I go back and click it again and I want to change that, there's your regular text settings. Then down here you have advanced highlight settings, and you can change the color, font to whatever. So heading and body fonts are the fonts that I've set within the theme, and you can change those under the customizer. It will blanket change everywhere on the site that's using those to the new font you choose. You don't have to, and that'll be a different tutorial. But over here, same thing. It's just a bunch of text that I copied and pasted and repeated just to make sure that it showed up from top to bottom. So I'm going to select all and just change this to Alabama Joy space, and then do a pipe and another space, and then I'm going to copy. Let's see, copy, paste over and over again to about 3 lines. Save. And then let's go see what that looks like now. So yeah, this is Alabama Joy. Change that out of the logo. Let's see what else. These social media icons, instead of using the social icon widget, I used individual icons because you have more control over the way they look. So this is just single icon. If you want to change that, you can get over here and just, search for whatever you want. These are the icons that come with the theme. And then same idea as far as changing the colors. You will see those here. The second one is for hover. So if you wanted, it's red when you hover right now. You can change both of those here. And then you'll paste your link to your social media here as well. Let's see what else. I think that's all on this. But yeah, if you want to change your picture, that's where you would do it. Just make sure you're hitting save every time, and your changes are saved. Super simple.